Hi guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you are not, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing video for Julep, and this is a subscription service that is just a nail polish subscription service that I personally subscribe to. The box is about $29.99 or $24.99, but I think I paid $24.99 for this box. And this is my, I think, Boho box or 8 Girl box. But the packaging changed for this month, and I'd love to see because this is my November box, if I didn't mention that already. And in the November box, since it's fall, they put a lot of fall inspired items, and I am so excited to see what is inside. So let's get to opening. So I have not opened the boxes yet. So one thing with Julep, they mix their boxes. Either they put skincare items, you know, beauty related items with like makeup and stuff like that, or you know, tools like brushes and nail kit stuff. But along with there, you can customize your box on their website, which is one thing I love. And I had customized my box for not only nail care but also skincare products. So I haven't opened the box yet. I haven't checked on anything that I've seen yet. So we're opening together for the first time. So let's go. So that was a surprise. Yeah. So this is how the box looks. I'm guessing these stuff are the usual things. The box always comes with a $10 off card coupon that you can put in for any purchase. Like if they open their secret store, you can use this coupon code and buy anything that you want, and you get $10 off. Sorry. This card, I'm guessing that their theme for this month is called Matte Metallics. So there is a nail polish in this box that is matte and metallic. I'm so interested to see that because I've never heard of a metallic matte nail polish before. It's kind of like defeating the purpose of being metallic. That's just my opinion, but you know, we'll see together. So let's go. This is what the card said, and in the back, this is what it says on the back. I need the seasons to live to the rhythm of sun and rain. And in the card, it's just here basically telling about that one skincare item that I had customized my box to have, and it's supposed to have their what is it? Their restorative facial milk. So I was very intrigued by what a facial milk is because I've never seen a serum like that. So this is basically telling you what it's about and telling you about the different oils that are in it. And it has rose hip seed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, squalane, plant derived oil, this feels very thick. This is a little booklet that they give you in it, and it says Beauty Loves Company, and it's just their holiday book, and they just show you the different products that they have for this holiday time, and it shows the different packaging that they have for the different nail polishes. It shows the different holiday packages that they have as well, and also, as I said, they have makeup. They have a makeup line, so you know, they showcasing the different ones that they have for the holidays, like that. But yeah, that's what it is. The box usually comes with candy, so I guess this is my candy. This is just this caramel apple pops. So let's get into the important thing the box says. First I'll go with the largest box, and this is their oxygen bonding base coat and base adhesive, and it says it's the first step to designed to act like double-sided tape that grips your nails and holds tight to color to extend the life of your mani-pedi. At the same time, oxygen technology lets nails breathe, helping them grow healthy and strong. So this is just what the box looks like. Let's get the interesting packaging. So it's basically in this kind of packaging, and it looks matte. The packaging looks very matte, but they said it's an oxygen formula, so my nails are just like, they need to be healthy again because I have not been using a base coat lately. So I customized my box to have this inside of it, and I am so excited to try this product actually. Put that right there. So yeah, that's that one. The next box in here, this one, and it's the Julep What Your Skin Needs Restorative Facial Milk. That's a serum that I was telling you about, and I'm very excited to see, actually. I'm very anxious. And so this is what the packaging looks like coming out of the box. This I'm actually in love with it. It's actually glass, and the packaging feels really luxurious, really. And it says what your skin needs, restorative facial milk. And it says to use 1-2 drops onto your face after cleansing alone or on a moisturizer. Use day or night. So I guess this is just like a serum that you can use at the nighttime or in the day. So let's see how it looks together. And it comes with a dropper. That's interesting. And it looks really like milk. Actually, it's just like a mixture of different oils that are really good for the skin. It feels really soft, but I hate the scent. I don't know what. Man, it smells awful, but my skin feels great. I have officially like an S&M relationship with this oil right now. It smells bad, but as you can see, it absorbs really quickly in my skin. Next in our box is this nail polish. It looks really pretty, like aqua mixed with silver, gray hues. Obviously this is their matte metallic shade, and I cannot wait to try this out on my nails. The next video that you see me in, I will be wearing this because this intrigues me a lot. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. And this is something that they bring in the box. It is like a little gift that they give you every month. It's like an extra nail polish or something, and I don't know what it is. I've never seen it. So it comes with a card, and the card says, shake it, shake, shake. Enjoy your gift to new Maven as a whole. Okay, that's what that says. That's what it says. Oh, it's like this very, it's just like this clear, glittery nail polish. This is what it looks like. It's just a sheer wash of pink, but it has glitter to it. I don't know if you can see it. It reminds me of a snow globe, but in nail polish form. And it has like a little ball in there to help you mix up the glitter every time you shake it. It's like so beautiful though. Oh, it says shake it up. That's what it means. It's telling me to shake it up. Anyways, so that's what's in my box this month. I am so happy that you guys were able to see all of these with me, and I'm very excited to try out every single one of them. And I'm excited to try this candy. Yeah. But yeah, so thank you for, watching my video, and leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below and tell me what other videos that you'd like me to see this month. And my name is Karen, and I'm out. Good luck.